I just love the smell of
Good morning, I'm Ging, and today we'll be watching Piss in Boots YTP, Puss in Boots The Last Wish. Now this is made by Isa's Error, that's a weird name, and the description says, this really took a while because of my potato PC, so make sure to go support this guy, he needs a new PC. I love the Puss in Boots movie, man, so hopefully this will be quite funny and a time to ruin another movie of my favorites. So join the Ging to become a king, and let's begin. New skin obtained. Oh wow! Already I can tell the editing is gonna be amazing.
We never wash it again. Who the f*** up in the party at my toe? Surprise, motherfucker! Holy f***! You, lunch me!
Launch me?
And the rest of you, play!
Eat just better.
Oh damn.
Motherfucker!
Espresso.
Are you sure about
The editing is such an ADHD style, I love it, man.
Hey, you wanna see something cool?
Oh, the Mortal Kombat fatality.
The legend will never die!
Puss. Really? Why did they?
You're
Finally awake.
Yeah, okay.
Not worry. Putting on my doctor's hat. I think we need to run a few tests. Temperature. Now lift your tail and relax.
Uh-oh.
Trust me, I run hot. Puss in Boots. How do I say this? You died.
Aw.
You died. I have 9 lives. And how many times have you died already?
No! Puss in Boots doesn't need a spotter.
Are you sure?
Watch! This will revolutionize.
Oh, I forgot these deaths. This was quite funny when I was watching the movie. With my family.
That makes 8, Puss. You are down to your last life.
Relax! I laugh at death!
3:28 a.m.
I am Puss! The doctor is a crazy man.
Uh-oh. Death arrived.
Good to meet you, too.
I never do this, but can I get your autograph?
Why is he laughing?
So
Oh,
I've
yeah.
heard.
Alright, let's get it over with.
Okay, fuck me. Huh? I'll have some thoughts at the end, but this is a very distinct style so far from other YTPs.
I just love the smell of
Oh, don't we all?
Flashing before your eyes.
Is that the Mario OST?
Pick it.
Oh no. Did he pick up the soap? And this is the aftermath.
To Puss in Boots. No! There are no words to express such a love.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
But perhaps a song. Who is your favorite fearless hero? Who is your favorite fearless hero?
So sad, man. Yeah. That was my honest reaction watching the movie for the first time. Puss and boobs? What is this? Should I watch it? Maybe. This had a really distinct style from other YTPs that I usually watch, because this gave me like 2018, 2017 vibes, you know? Kind of like Flying Kitty, PewDiePie, Grande vibes. It's really smooth editing. I think you used After Effects for the editing or something, because all in all it felt really smooth, but there was not a lot of, you know, YouTube poop moments, I think. It felt more like a meme edit, you know? Make sure to go support him and join the Ging to become making. And anyways, bye bye.